So the boys showed up to help out. Heidi got all the trees handled in the driveway. So we are well on our way. Let's check it out. Let's see what's happening out here. Oh, must be a union break. Got Patrick and Quentin. We should be off generator power by now. Maybe I need to go check that out. Do my job. I don't see Patrick. Useless. It's a beautiful day for some chainsawing.
It is.
Heidi's dirty as can be.
Say what?
You're dirty as can be.
She could work harder. She hasn't gotten into the sappy trees yet.
Ooh, sappy trees.
So the power hasn't come on yet?
I didn't try it. There's Patrick. Oh God! Of course, this is the view we get of him.
You know, that's the best brand on the market. Why?
And they cheaped out on that bullshit.
Hey, Patty boy, how are you doing?
I tell ya.
Now Heidi comes in with the secret tool.
Is that that looks like a
Patrick is.
Idiomatic. You invented
You're supposed
that,
to be able to like put it in a stump and you know, pound it in, but I just put it in a piece of wood.
Nice.
So it can move now.
I like the name, the Heidi-O-Matic. That's a good.
And it could be applied to any number of tools.
Of course.
So
There is still some work to do. Honestly, about half of it's done, maybe more. This is been a very productive day. Well, not for me, but for them. Well, since I can't chainsaw, I'm in charge of food. Let's see how I did. Food is coming. Food.
You bring sandwich?
I brought sandwich.
Hey, at least it's a nice day out here.
Oh my God. I think she's got your number. Get her. Oh! Oh, dude, that was close. Some people were fed. I think mostly Patrick. We're back to work.
One thing I have at home. Nice.
Look at that teamwork. Woo! Some backwards chainsaw. I don't know if that's loud. Getting down to it. I can't tell when we're recording and when we're not. Alright, we're recording. Almost done here. Oh no. Bird feeder took a hit.
General store needs to be rehung.
I think it's got a little problem. Oh, looks good. Looks like Heidi's back on staff. Heidi on chainsaw. Patrick on chainsaw. He's got a weird technique. I wouldn't walk that close to that guy. Jeez. Maybe we have to have a safety lesson here. Well, it looks like I'm on 911 in case anything happens. Hope not. All right, we'll leave him to it.